Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to save project in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to save a project in your CapCut PC, so to do that what you can do is just open up your CapCut application. After opening up your CapCut application, now what you can do is just tap on create project, which is on the top, and then add a project in your CapCut. So what you can do is just simply tap on import and then select a video or a photo as a project inside your files, and then tap on open and then open it on your CapCut. And after opening it, what you can do is just simply tap and hold down on your video and then drop it in your timeline. And after dropping your video in your timeline, what you can do is just select the video from your timeline and then start editing your video. So you can cut and paste your video, you can edit unwanted clips, and you can add some filters. So here you can find the option for text, stickers, effects, transition, captions, filters, and other following options that you can add for your video. So for example, I'll show you how to add a sticker. So what you have to do is just tap on this option which is stickers and then select a sticker that you want to add. So for example, I would like to add this sticker, so I'll just install it. And after installing your sticker, what you can do is just simply select the video in your timeline, and after selecting this video, just tap on your sticker and drag it and drop it in your timeline. And after doing that, now you can adjust the size of the sticker and then adjust the time of the sticker. So how long would you want the sticker in your video? So you can do that. And after doing that, now what you have to do is just edit the sticker. So what you can do is just lower the size and then keep it anywhere that you like. So for example, I would like to place it over here. And after doing that, now if you just play your video, you can see the sticker has been added. So in this way you can add a sticker. You can also add effects. So just tap on effects and then select an effect that you like. So for example, I would like to add this effect. So what I'll do is just download this effect and drag it and drop it in my timeline. And after doing that, what you can do is just resize this effect according to your video. After doing that, now if you just play your video, you can see the effect. So now if you want to save this project, what you can do is just simply tap on this wrong option which is on the top right. And after tapping on that, here you can see guys, your project has been automatically saved. So you don't have to do anything. After completing this editing process and after completing everything inside your CapCut, if you just tap on cancel or if you just close that tab, what will happen is CapCut will automatically save your video. And after saving that video, you can again reopen your video and start editing. And if you reopen your video, you can find that nothing has changed. The way you have edited your video and the effects that you have added has not been changed. It's the same, and you can continue from there, from where you have left. So here you can see guys, my effects are not been removed, my stickers are there, and my project has saved successfully. So that's it guys, this is how to save a project in CapCut. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.